Hi teacher, my name is Pablo, my last name is Aponte. I'm going to tell you about what's in my refrigerator. In my refrigerator there is salt, avador or surso juice, some butter stick, half of kilo of cheese, mayonnaise in sachet, ketchup. I don't have many lemons and carrots, 3 kilos of chicken, and a portion of meat. There is a carton of egg, half a melon, a jar of tomato paste. There is a can of beer, half a bottle of cane juice. There is no many orange. Mm, there are there are many apples. That's all, teacher. Thank you.